Okay, so in the last 2 months, I joined 10 different private groups, Discord channels, paid private groups for cryptocurrency, and I was checking, is it worth it or not? How many times you've been seeing almost every single YouTuber, almost every influencer, they say, okay, join my private Discord, join my private this, join my private that, and you know, you're thinking like, is it worth it? Is it really worth it to pay $100 a month, $500 a month? Usually they are around $100 a month. Now the real question is it worth it? And how many times you've been attempted? Oh, if I was in his private group, I was going to get this call early. Okay, so in this video, watch to the end, watch at 1.5 speed if you want. I'm going to tell you which group have worth it and which one are not. Now, I'm not allowed to say which I joined and all this stuff, of course. I cannot give you any inside information, but from my top one, I have top 3, all right? I joined around 13 groups I did join, all right? 2, I paid yearly membership, all right? I don't want to be bothered to pay every month, so I paid, okay? And I will share to you 2 today. My number 1, my number 2, I'm still negotiating to share or not. If I'm not allowed, I don't know. Still, it's under question. I asked him if I can mention. And number 3, I can share that. Now, what's happened is with this crypto group is when you paid, okay, you don't know like what is about, you know. Now you're thinking what's about, but what is actually? So you pay the money $100 already, no refunding there, or you pay, you know, $400. Some of them are, and what is crazy according to me, you know. And then like you expecting miracles, okay? You still need to do all that work. And I will tell you, it depends. Is the group are good? Yes and no. Some of the groups are amazing, okay? You have a great community, very smart, open-minded. It depends where you go. I did join some group just for pump and dump, you know. They're like inside, everybody just bringing some tokens, some coins, and I got wrecked 4 or 5 times. You know, I play only with $10-15 because I don't know, and people are allowed to bring some tokens, you know, and once they wreck few people, so they'll kick them out and so on and so on. There are YouTubers who bring the videos there before everybody else, so if you're lucky, if you go in the first minute, you can make easy 20, 30, 50%, even 100% up in just couple of minutes or maybe couple of hours. Now, the biggest issue what I find about myself is I cannot manage 10 groups all in once, okay? 7 of them you need to be active pretty much now. When they post the trade, even I joined one guy for trading, which is amazing, you know, he put couple of trades once a week, once every 2 weeks, it depends when you do them. But if he put 2 a.m. my time, I'm sleeping, you know, and I wake up and I see trade and he's already, oh, I did already like 60% up. I say, shoot, you know, I missed that. I'm sleeping and how many I miss, and then I'm at work and he put new trade and I'm at work, you know. I don't work with my phone and crypto, okay? So that's out of the game. So now I took off my list, I put down my list. The guy who I joined, you know, the YouTuber who I joined, who was bringing a lot of pumps and dumps, that's great, you know, to make fast money, but it's not for me. You know why? I cannot be there that time and minute. I did join one guy on Telegram and, you know, he's pumping tokens. He have like thousands and thousands of people there. In his private group, he have only a couple of 100 people, you know, and he bringing some tokens, you know, and some of them, if you ape there the first minute, okay, the first minute, so he say, okay, I'm posting in, let's say now, and that now can be 3 hours, and you should just wait there and just wait, you know, and you buy. Most of them are on Ethereum, you know. I make money on 1, on 3, I lost, so pretty much I was even, and I say, oh, it's not for me, you know. You need to be there now, okay? Now, so basically that's about it. I did join a couple of other YouTubers and their community are very nice, you know, with not so much money a month. It's only like $20 one of them, second one is 25 one, the second one is around $35, and you cannot get their like pumps and dumps or something, you know. They will tell you what they're buying privately, but the good stuff is pretty much if you watch their video, you're going to learn there, okay? You're going to see them in their video. They're giving exactly almost the same what they're buying. Maybe they'll don't share 1 or 2 tokens, okay? So, you know, when they sell, they will share and so on and so on. We are also in, so these guys, their community are great. You can engage there, you can learn. What I find out when the people paid some money to be in some cryptocurrency, some groups, you know, you can find out that they are more there, they're more active, you know. But I was in too many groups and my head was blowing up and I decline all. And I no, not that they're bad, it's just I cannot handle too much work, you know. I'm only one guy, one person, I'm doing everything by myself, and I have two amazing admins. I love you to that. Stay with me, please. Okay, next one. So let's go to the point number one. So my second, who I love the most, I'm not able to share, maybe I'll share next week. But number three is portfolio masters. You know them. So these guys, this is one of my top favorite. Why? Because it's no pump and dump. You cannot chat. You can chat in their Discord. They have free version and they have paid version. Who they are? Basically, they're a team of 4 and they're finding low market cap coins and they bring to us. Wherever they buying, wherever they selling, when they buying, how much they buying, how much they selling, they giving everything to you. And the cost is not expensive. You can buy for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. They have big AMA Sunday. Okay, so it depends when you watch this video. That will be on the 28th. Make sure you follow them, join their free group in Telegram and see how they are and how they doing. Okay, now this is what I like. So it's not pump and dump, nothing like that, and that's why I love them. They're extremely transparent. In some of the group you cannot even see the YouTuber or the guy who you join, you know, he's not there. Maybe once in a couple of days he will come and, you know, and just type something. Okay, also again, from every single group you can learn something, get some information. Sometimes people share some tricks and all that stuff, you know, so you feel slightly more how to say, with more insight information. Not always, but sometimes that's happened. Okay, now I'll give you my number one, and this is my number one. This is Lucas, all right? So Crypto Lab Research. I'm going to have AMA with these guys in next week on Wednesday, all right? So he still didn't confirm. I hope he'll say yes. Lucas, if you watch this video, make sure you say yes. Okay, I did join his group. I joined for 2 months now. So I joined around end of November, December, okay? So what's happened is I did join, I paid for 6 months up front, and I never get in till January 1st. I start learning January 1st, 3:30 a.m., all right? It was New Year, and I was hyped, and I was pumped for new study. I spent today hours and hours. Okay, let me give you some insight from his group because I'm allowed to do that. By the way, the most important things here is this is the underdog investment group. Okay, that's how it's called, UIG group. Now what they are, it's not a pump and dump and all the stuff, but these guys have everything from the starters, from the beginners, for more prompting crypto with experience in crypto. They have so many steps. It took me 3 days learning just to go through these 2 sections. Okay, I still need to go here, I still need to go here, I still need to go there, through DeFi and bull run and mindset, and this is your head going to explode. If you think you join here and you're going to be pump and dump, it's not going to happen. Now I'm going to do full video for this one, and the best stuff here is if you join right here, if you decide to join them, and if you just say, when they ask you, you know, or when you join, who sent you, make sure you say crypto PHILL, because you're going to get kickback of $50 and I'm going to get some kickback. Okay, so if you join, if you mention crypto PHILL send you, okay, once you are 30 days there, you're going to get back $50. How much this cost? Like they say, 1 cup of coffee or $100 a month. Now they have some discount, okay, so it's much cheaper. Now if you join, it depends when you join, they always have some discounts. Now these guys, I start earning money from farming. Now I did farming for myself before. I did a lot of crypto farming before, but this is concentrate liquidity pools. Okay, they teach you everything, right? And you will see, look, I have $5 now on $600 investment. Okay, risk free pretty much. Yeah, impermanent loss and all that stuff. This is totally new video. I'm going to start my series with these. Okay, now with crypto farming, because this is your own boss, like they say, you have your own businesses to make money, to have more. So I have here like 7-8 pools. I'm making average around 1.5-2% sometimes a day, sometimes 0.5%. It depends. So this is for the last 24 28 hours. So sorry, this is for 24 hours. So this is around 0.8% a day overall, 0.7% a day. You know, it depends how they are, what they do in the market, but that's totally different video. I'm going to have a lot of videos about that one. However, Underdog investigation group, okay, investment group, sorry, Underdog community and all the stuff, they have so many great members. These guys are the beast. They have the mindset, they have the everything step by step what you learn. I spent hours and hours of going through this, and I still cannot go even 40% of this education. They have calls like 5 times a week. Like, who have the calls 5 times a week? But it's not, hey guys, what do you do? No, they give you technical analysis every day, something else. Okay, amazing community. I love them and I respect them. All right, they're doing amazing. They bring in new people. Now they're going to bring some taxes and all that stuff. Amazing. Make sure if you join, say PHILL send you, so you can get $50. So what I'm going to recommend from all these 13 people I joined, I definitely recommend them, Portfolio Masters, and definitely number 2. But number 2 I still not able to mention, not allowed to mention. Maybe I'll do video when I have the green light, what is pretty cool by the way. I love them also. Now this is number 1, and I think they highly deserve it. All right, highly deserve it. Now the point here is you can start with any money, and you can start earning and build up. That's what they teach you. Okay, it's not like go there pump and dump. No, this is nice and slow. Okay, slow earning. Okay, take your time till you earn, till you start learn and earn. Simple like that. All right, video is getting too long, sorry about that. Watch at 1.5 speed. Love you all. Make sure you smash the like and subscribe. All right, like. All right, goodbye.